step into the 2006 Chevrolet Cobalt LS. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: air conditioning, automatic headlights, daytime running lights, driver airbag, front air dam, passenger airbag, rear window defogger, second row folding seat, steel wheels and tachometer. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.